In the rhythm of our daily lives, aches and pains often accompany us like loyal companions. Whether it's the aftermath of an intense workout, the persistent hum of joint discomfort, or the throbbing pulse of a tension headache, the quest for relief becomes a familiar journey. In this exploration, we turn to nature's pharmacy, delving into the world of herbal remedies that offer a gentle and natural approach to pain relief. Understanding the essence of natural pain relief. The allure of herbal remedies lies in their holistic approach to health, addressing not only the symptoms, but also the underlying causes. From centuries-old traditions to modern scientific scrutiny, certain herbs have stood the test of time, emerging as effective allies in the pursuit of alleviating everyday aches. Let's unravel the botanical tapestry and explore 5 notable herbs renowned for their natural pain-relieving properties. It is important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with the qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Turmeric, curcuma longa. At the forefront of natural pain relief stands turmeric, a golden-hued spice celebrated for its active compound, curcumin. Recognized for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin acts as a natural COX-2 inhibitor, mitigating inflammation and providing relief from pain. For everyday use, turmeric can be incorporated into the diet through golden milk, a warming concoction of turmeric, ginger, and other spices, or as a supplement for a more concentrated dose. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Beyond its culinary prowess, ginger emerges as a powerful ally in addressing joint pain and inflammation. Gingerol, the bioactive compound in ginger, exhibits anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, making it a valuable herb for easing discomfort. For topical application, a ginger-infused oil can be crafted by steeping fresh ginger in carrier oil, offering a soothing massage solution for joint pain. Willow bark. Drawing inspiration from nature's pharmacy, willow bark takes center stage as a natural source of salicin, a compound akin to aspirin. With analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, willow bark has been historically used to alleviate headaches and mild pain. Brewing willow bark tea provides a gentle yet effective way to embrace this herbal remedy for everyday aches. Arnica, Arnica montana. Arnica, known for its vibrant yellow flowers, steps into the spotlight as a remedy for muscle soreness and inflammation. Its active components, sesquiterpene lactones, work to reduce pain and swelling. Arnica-infused oil obtained by steeping dried arnica flowers in a carrier oil becomes a valuable addition to a natural first aid kit, providing relief through topical application. Boswellia, Boswellia serrata. Derived from the resin of the boswellia tree, boswellia has gained recognition for its anti-inflammatory properties, particularly in supporting joint health. Boswellic acids, the bioactive compounds in boswellia, contribute to reducing inflammation and easing discomfort. Supplements or the resin itself can be incorporated into a holistic approach to joint pain management. Meadowsweet, Filipendula ulmaria. Adding a floral note to our herbal ensemble, meadowsweet earns its place as a digestive pain soother. Known for its salicylate content, meadowsweet exhibits mild analgesic properties. Crafting meadowsweet tea provides a gentle, yet effective means of addressing digestive discomfort, making it a versatile herb for holistic pain relief. Using nature's bounty, practical application of herbal remedies. Understanding the benefits of each herb is just the beginning. Incorporating them into daily life is where the true potential unfolds. Here's how you can harness the power of these herbs for various types of pain. Turmeric-infused delights. 1. Golden milk. Simmer a blend of turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, and milk to create a soothing cup of golden milk. 1. Turmeric supplements. Consider incorporating turmeric supplements into your routine, ensuring a consistent and concentrated dose of curcumin. Ginger's topical triumph. 1. Ginger-infused oil. Craft a ginger-infused oil by steeping fresh ginger slices in a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. Massage the oil onto joints for relief. Willow bark tea elixir. 1. Willow bark. Tea. Steep willow bark in hot water to create a tea. Sip on this elixir for headache relief or mild pain management. Arnica's soothing salve. An arnica-infused salve, Mix arnica-infused oil with beeswax to create a soothing salve. Apply this salve topically to areas of muscle soreness. Boswellia's joint support. 1. Boswellia supplements. Explore boswellia supplements for joint health. Consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate dosages. Meadowsweet's digestive dance. 1. Meadowsweet tea. Brew meadowsweet tea by steeping dried meadowsweet leaves in hot water. Sip on this herbal infusion for digestive comfort. Usage tips and precautions. While herbal remedies offer a natural and holistic approach to pain relief, it's essential to approach their usage with care. Dosage considerations. Be mindful of appropriate dosages, especially when using herbal supplements. Consultation with professionals. Consult with healthcare professionals, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. Patch testing. Before topical application, perform a patch test to ensure there are no adverse reactions. Individual sensitivities. Be aware of individual sensitivities or allergies to specific herbs. Embracing the herbal symphony of relief. In the embrace of nature's soothing touch, herbal remedies unveil a symphony of relief for everyday aches. Turmeric, ginger, willow bark, arnica, boswellia, and meadowsweet. Each herb contributes its unique notes to the melody of natural pain relief. As we explore the practical application of these remedies, may their gentle efficacy become a beacon for those seeking a holistic approach to well-being. Let this herbal symphony guide us towards a harmonious coexistence with the bounties of nature, where relief is not just a fleeting moment, but a continuous journey of well-being.